Question number 22nd. Okay, children. So up to 21 in the last video we have completed. So till now I explained LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. I hope RHS to LHS we haven't solved. But now in this we will prove LHS once and RHS once, whether we will check both the answers are equal or not. If they are equal, this method also applicable is. So LHS we will take first sec square A cosec square A. What is that? 1 by cos square A, 1 by sin square A. What is this? 1 by sin square A, just writing in orders, cos square A. Okay. Next we will find RHS part. RHS part is what? Tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. This we can write as tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 tan into cot A. What am I doing here is, this is 2. This can be written in this form because this is what? Tan A into 1 by tan A. Tan cancels, so 2 into 1 will be left. So this one I am going to convert into tan A plus cot A whole square. Okay, children. So what is tan? Sin A by cos A by plus cos A by sin A whole square. This is what? LCM. Sin A cos A. I'm just writing in order, children. Sin into sin, sin square A. Cos into cos, cos square A. What is that? 1 by sin A cos A. This is nothing but 1, no? Right? This is sin A cos A. So we got it is also whole square, no? Children, it is also whole square. We should not forget to write whole square. 1 by sin A cos A whole square. This is what? 1 by sin square A cos square A. And here LHS also we got 1 by sin square A cos square A, and RHS also we got 1 by sin square A cos square A. Therefore LHS equal to RHS equal to 1 by sin square A cos square A. Hence proved. Okay? Yes. 25th question. Now I'm going to solve from LHS to RHS. So directly I'm going to solve it. I'm taking here LCM. Cosec A minus 1 cosec A plus 1 is nothing but cosec square A minus 1. Cosec A plus 1 into cosec A. Cosec A into cosec A plus 1. Cosec A into cosec A minus 1. Okay. We will simplify. Cosec A into 1 cosec A cosec square A plus cosec A. Cosec A into 1 cosec A. Cosec A into cosec cosec square A cosec A by cosec square A minus 1. Okay, children. So now plus cosec A minus cosec A we can cancel. So what is cosec square A minus 1? How can we write? Cot square A. We know that cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. If I am transposing this to right and this to left, what you will get? Cosec square A minus 1 is nothing but cot square A. Now here cosec square is how much? 2 cosec square A by cot square A. Okay, now we will define this. This is reasons. Okay, now we can write cosec as 2 into 1 by sine square A. In denominator, cot can be written as cos square A by sine square A. Okay, now we will write the reciprocal. This or else we can cancel sine square directly. Now what is left? 2 by cos square A is left. What is that? 2 into sec square A. This is RHS. Okay, children. Here sine square I cancelled. What is left? 2 by cos square A is left. So what is that? 2 into 1 by cos. 1 by cos is what? Sec square. So 2 sec square is left. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, children. Now 29th question. In between I am leaving the problems which are similar and easy. You can solve them, children. So now 29th question we will solve. Again we will start with the LHS. When we can go with the directly step LCM. Cos A plus cos A into 1 minus sin A. Okay. And now 1 plus sin A into 1 plus cos A. We can also write directly, but you may get confused. So I'm writing one more step. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Okay. 1 plus A plus B, A minus B. Means what? 1 minus sine square A plus cos square A by cos A into 1 minus 1 plus, and this is also 1 plus, children. Okay. So cos A into 1 plus sine A. Okay, yes. Now here again 1 minus sine square A is 1 minus sine square A. Okay, this is my plus, then this is also plus, then this becomes whole square. Okay, 1 plus sine A whole square means we have to expand 1 plus sine square A plus 2 sine A plus cos square A by cos A we keep remains same. Okay, 1 sine square A cos square A again 1. We will write in one place sine square A plus cos square A plus 2 sine A by cos A into 1 plus sine A, and this is again 1. Okay, children. So what I have done is 1 plus sin A whole square expanded 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A plus cos square A as it is. By cos A, this is as it is denominator. And sin square A, cos square A, I just group them in one bracket. So now this is nothing but 1. 1 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. This is what? 2 plus 2 sin A. Okay, 2 plus 2 sin A but cos A 1 plus sin A. Okay, now here again I can take 2 as common. 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A is cancelled. 2 by cos A is equal to 2 into sec A. 1 by cos is what? Sec only, no? That's all. This is the 29th question. So we'll go with the 30th question also. Question number 30. Prove 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A is equal to sec A minus tan A whole square. Yes, children, you can go from RHS to LHS also, or LHS to RHS. Okay. Yes, now we'll start from the LHS to RHS. 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Okay, here just multiply and divide by opposite sign. Conjugate we says in the irrational number. 1 minus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Okay, just you write since multiplying and dividing by 1 minus sin A. Don't forget to write what you are doing it and what are you applying. So now this will be taken LCM. So LCM is what? A plus B, A minus B. Here it becomes 1 minus sine square A. Okay children, 1 minus sine A, 1 minus sine A whole square. Okay, I'm just taking LCM. Oh, so sorry, it's not LCM. We have to do product only. Okay, denominator we have done it. This is into. Okay, so now 1 minus sine A whole square and 1 minus sine square whole square. So this one will keep because RHS is a whole square. So we keep this remains same numerator and denominator. 1 minus sine square is nothing but cos square A. Okay, 1 minus sine square. We will write since sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, correct? So from this we can write no, cos square A is equal transposing to right side. Okay, this is actually enough to write since reason, but once again I am explaining how we are getting this. Okay, children. So now this is 1 minus sin A whole square. This is cos square. We can convert them into whole square. The numerator and denominator whole square. Okay. And here also you can write a to the power m by b to the power m is nothing but a by b whole to the power m. Laws of indices. Okay, children. Now we can segregate them. Separate the terms. 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A whole square. Okay. Now what is this? 1 by cos is what? Sec A. Sin by cos is what? Tan A whole square. This is what? RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, children? Question number 34. So 30 after 34 I started in between sums also very simple and similar sums only. So now again we'll go with the LHS only. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A by 2 cos cube A minus cos A. Here I can take sin as common. Sin A. Okay, what is left? 1 minus 2 sine square A. Here I can take cos as common. Okay, so 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, children. Yes, now again sin A as it is. This 1 can be written in terms of sine and cot. What is that? Sine square A cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, sin square A plus sin square A plus cos square is what? 1, no. So instead of 1 I am writing sin square A plus cos square A. Let me write this step again. Sin A is common. Instead of 1 what I am writing is sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, minus 2 sin square A. Okay, children. Next again here In denominator also cos A, 2 cos square A, 2 cos square A, minus 1 also again I am putting them in bracket because there is a minus outside. So sin square A plus cos square A. Okay. Now here sin A by cos A will remain same. And here sin square A minus 2 sin square A means cos square A minus sin square A. We can subtract, no? And here 2 cos square A minus cos square. When I open the bracket, this becomes negative. So 2 cos square minus cos square A minus sin square A remains. So these two are common. So what is left? Sin A by cos A is left. This is what? Tan A. This is what? RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, children? Next, the 37th question. Okay, children. Now, 37th question. Sin A into tan A by 1 minus cos A. Okay, so RHS is 1 plus sec A. So LHS again sin A tan A by 1 minus cos A. So here again we will multiply and divide by 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Okay, what I am doing here? Multiplying and dividing by 1 plus cos A. Since you write. Okay, therefore reverse symbol is sin symbol. Okay, now here 1 minus cos square A in denominator A minus B, A plus B. 1 minus cos square A. Now again sin A tan A into 1 plus cos. Sin A tan A into 1 plus cos A. Okay, so again we will define sin A tan is what? Sin A by cos A. This remains as it is. And in denominator, we can write 1 minus cos square as sin square A. Okay? And now here, sin A is how much? Sin square A. Okay? And this cos A can be written in denominator. Okay? This can be transposed. So, 1 plus cos A by cos A into sin square A. Sin square A cancel. 1 plus cos A by cos A. What is that? 1 by cos A plus cos A by cos A. This cancel. This is nothing but sec A plus 1. Okay, this is RHS. 1 plus sec A plus 1 both are equal only, no? Hence, LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Okay, children? Yeah, next question. 39th one. Yes, 39th question will be the last question for this video, children. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep watching math teaching video, children. And practice them very seriously. Okay, and complete remaining sums which are left in between sums. So altogether 48 to 50 questions are there in 21A. Now we are in 39th question. Okay, yeah, this is also very simple. Just multiply and divide in square root only, and we will solve from LHS as usual. So root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Okay, in root only multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Okay, you write the reasons. Don't forget to write the reasons. Multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A. Denominator, multiply and divide the denominator. Okay, by 1 plus sin A. Okay, so now here square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A minus B, A plus B, and under root it is as usual 1 plus sin A whole square. This is nothing but cos square A. Okay, so this can be written as 1 plus sin 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square root. So now here this square and root cancel. So 1 plus sin A by cos A will be left. Separate them terms. Cos A plus sin A by cos A. What are these? 1 by cos is sec A. Sin by cos is tan A. This is what RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Don't forget to write hence proved, children. Okay. So with this, I am stopping this video, and we will solve the remaining questions in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, children. Thank you for watching.